Training sales representative company section. To add a sales rep, you use the sales rep panel. You can add or edit existing one. Sales rep are suppliers, and you must also specify a commission. Commission are defined in list. Commission. To define a new commission, first you define the name of the commission, name that will appear on the invoice. Second, you define the rate, the percentage, like here 12% up to 10% discount, and from 10% to 100%, 8%. You can handle sales rep by batch, like here, Canada, Ontario. And in batch menu, you can add the sales rep, change commission, okay, replace the sales rep. However, it must be put first into a single company before appearing in the list. Sales representative can connect to OLOtech, and over the group of privilege, the information will be filtered to show only appropriate information. If we take a look to master sales company, user is related to his company, master sales. If we connect as master sales, we will be able to do report, but not able to include cost. We'll be able to do a detailed commission report. When you create new customer order is mentioned by default. Connected as administrator, in customer order, we can make report for master sales, and we can this time include profitability. We can do the same thing in invoice for representative, master sales, and base total cost. In invoice, we can select open invoice, the line, edit to change commission or sales representative.